Yvonne with Rudy Kusuma's home selling team. Today with our training we talked about the auction effect and how we're going to implement it with talking with the buyers and talking with the listing agent and how to pretty much explain everything. We talked about 3% buyers premium and how to pretty much explain the auction effect to our buyers so they know what they're getting themselves into and how we can set ourselves in a position to win the auction. Overall, it was a really good experience. I learned a lot from it, and I'm really excited to implement that and go talk to my buyers and tell them about this auction effect. Hope everyone has a great day.